Hi, I'm Fatima Sadeghi from Iran. I'm studying Master of Global Health at Karolinska Institute.
Hi, my name's Arjudit Mukherjee. I'm from India, and right now I'm in Sweden. I'm studying my master's in bioentrepreneurship at Karolinska.
Hi everyone, I'm Clara and I'm from Brazil, and I'm studying a master's program here at KI in global health.
I'm called Louis Bayo Borora. I'm a Ugandan. Currently, I'm doing my master's course in global health at Karolinska Institute.
I remember that day I went to the supermarket to buy something. I was at the cashier trying to pay my bills, and suddenly I saw my phone was ringing.
I was cooking dinner in the kitchen when I heard my phone ring. I went there and I saw a +4 something number, and I thought it was a spam, and I was about to cut it. But I was like, could it be?
It was from Sweden. And then it was so funny because I left everything at the cashier and I went out the supermarket to answer the call.
And I picked up the call, and it was the coordinator, and she says, "Hi, is this Archie there?" I'm like, "Yes."
She told me that you got the scholarship, and
she's like, "Do you accept it?" In my head, I'm like, "Of course I accept it."
The person asked me, "Do you accept this offer?" And I told, for sure. I was waiting for this moment.
So I accepted it, and I got the letter an hour later, and that's when I was like, yes, I got it.
I was super happy. I didn't expect for that at all.
I kid you not. I was stunned. I was literally stunned.
Very surprised, to be honest. It's very high competition for the scholarship, so I got extremely happy because I depended on a scholarship to be able to come to KI. So I actually cried out of happiness, and I was really, really happy.
The first thing I checked was the program Global Health, and then the country, and then the university. So once I saw Uganda Global Health, Karolinska, I was so sure that it has to be me. The adrenaline rush came down. All of a sudden, I was very happy. I was amazed. Anxiety with positive feelings, the negative feelings had gone down.
The whole idea of the SI scholarship is that it's not only a scholarship in the sense of financial aid, but it is a network. So we have several events. Now, unfortunately, they are all taking place online. But from what I heard from previous years, there were even trips organized to other universities. So you're able to meet a lot of students from all over the world that are also scholarship holders. There's also a board. So there is a SI board, but also boards for each university to represent the students. They can suggest events on topics that are relevant to their studies or to their university.
And the other one is that about my CV, because definitely after my master, I want to continue for PhD level. And then when I write that I received the KI scholarship, it's like a privilege in my CV. So I think it will smooth my pathway for my PhD levels.
First, check the university's website. They all have all the scholarships you are eligible to apply, and then select all the ones you are eligible and establish a timeline with all the deadlines, because this is very important, because normally each scholarship has their own documents that they require, sometimes on their own format. So being organized and aware of the time, it's really, really important.
One is mentorship. You need to get somebody who is going to mentor you. It could be somebody who has won scholarship previously. Secondly, it could be colleagues applying for the same scholarship. You could advise yourselves, mentor yourself, or you could get somebody within the academic cycles to mentor you. So mentorship is key.
Don't postpone the application for the last minute. They try to apply as soon as possible, and some of the time at the end you understand you need some information or some certificate that you don't have it now. So I strongly suggest them to apply as soon as possible.
I would suggest everyone to apply, because for the KI Global Scholarship, if you're eligible and you applied to KI, you would just get an email and you just tick a box saying, yes, I want to apply. It's as simple as that. No extra letters, no nothing whatsoever. It's a tick and you're in. So I would suggest anyone who's eligible, apply. What's the harm? Mention your story. We make it personal. Personalize it to your own life. And try to connect a line between all the different events you're mentioning. And don't please repeat your CV again on the cover letter. They already have.
Thank you.